Blessed day, everyone. Today's devotion is on Psalms 125, verse 1. Those who trust in the Lord are like Mount Zion, which cannot be moved, but abides forever. If we will notice, the people who trust in the Lord are being compared to a Mount Zion. So let's see why we were being compared to that mountain. What are the characteristics of that mountain that we can be able to see God on it? So first, King David, during his childhood, it was mentioned that he already saw the mountain, and that mountain is stable, that mountain is unmoved, and it never changed. So when the young David grew up, became a young man, he's still able to saw that mountain. Again, the characteristic of that mountain is still stable, still unchanged, still unmoved. Then, when King David became an old man, he still saw that mountain, still unchanged, stable, and unmoved. So, what can we learn from this? People who trust in the Lord are like trusting in a God who is unchanged, who is dependable, who is stable and unmoved, and that is our God. No matter what happened, no matter what God allows us in life, He never changed. So according to Jude chapter 1 verse 24, it says that to Him who is able to keep you from falling and to present you before His glorious presence without fault and with great joy. So God is able to do that. God can confidently bring us to Him because He is able to do that, because He is God. So King David only says that people should trust in the Lord, because whenever we put our weight, whenever we put our full confidence in God, then we can completely rely and we can completely depend on our God. So one example, one scenario that I can share to you as something will inspire us is that my father, who died just recently, the feeling of sadness I cannot compare. The feeling of sadness I have and my family have, we cannot describe through words. We felt so devastated when my father died. But then, though we have heavy feelings, we have undescribed kind of sadness until now. We are mourning. But then one thing that makes me going is that I know and I believe that God is God. So even when my father died, I still believe that God remains faithful. God intends no harm to anyone. So what makes me going is that my trust that I put unto the Lord. So my dear brothers and sisters, whenever you feel that kind of sadness when someone had passed away, or whenever you felt the undescribable kind of burden, sadness, fears, or even anxiety, please count on the Lord, because He is someone that we can truly depend on and rely on, no matter the gravity of problems we have. Regardless, we felt devastated by different kinds of challenges here on earth. Please always remember, God is faithful. We can trust in Him. God bless us all.